Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change App Store region without any error. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your App Store region without any errors, let's see how can you do that. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Then go back and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnect your VPN, go back, go to language and region, and select your own region from here. So after selecting your region, just go back and just go to date and time, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Or you can also try to choose your time zone, then enable this toggle. Go back and go to software update and just try to update your software. After updating software, you just have to tap on your Apple ID, then tap on subscriptions, and you have to make sure that you haven't any subscriptions here. If you have any subscription, just try to clear or delete them. After deleting or canceling your subscriptions, you have to also make sure that you haven't any remaining credit balance in your Apple Pay. If you have, just try to spend that out, and after spending your credit balance, open your App Store, and here just tap on the profile option at the top right, then tap on your Apple ID, and here you just have to verify yourself using your Apple ID password, then tap on this country or region option here, and you just have to try to select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your iPhone settings. I'm going to select in this one because I have already selected this, and then tap on continue option here, then tap on agree at the top right. Now on this page you have to add your payment method. If you have any payment method, you can add it here. If you don't have any payment method, just tap on none option here, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on done option at the top right, and your country or region is successfully changed in your Apple ID or in your App Store without any issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.